inside out with the dogs. Hi! Hi there! Have fun? There we are, dogs on the window. Yeah, they do plywood in the back, but it's going. Okay. Okay. You're on video! Oops. Oh, let's get out.
Get out? Come on, dog. Come on, Murphy.
Come on, Murphy. The seat is in.
And my homemade floorboards.
And the homemade floorboards. Come on, Murphy.
Oh,
He's a little bit of an expert.
You get out? You're gonna be a fucking...
There it is. Well, they hit the front. We'll take a picture of the front too. Oh, look at that. Awesome. All right.
I got lots of thumbs up from people.
Did you? All right.
Way more now that it's not purple.
Not purple anymore. Now it is rustish, brownish, brickish. Brick.
It's redwood.
Redwood. Hey Murph, you like it? Murphy?
He was so happy to